I have been told by many men that why don't you just let us park the car? आपको शायद थोड़ा time लगेगा. Parallel parking, exactly. Often lead to women driving skills being scrutinized constantly. Aim to start She Can Drive was to make confident and safer women drivers. मैंने अपने बड़े भाई साहब को देखा ड्राइव करते हुए and I picked up those skills like how do you press the accelerator and when do you change the gear, how do you react to the sound of the accelerator and change the gears. I have trained more than 3,000 women to drive, Stuti. तो मैंने बोला कि डॉक्टर आई मीन व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, यू नो आई हैव टॉट यू सो मेनी टाइम्स, आपकी गाड़ी यहीं पे आके स्पीड ब्रेकर पे आके क्यों बंद पड़ती है. आई लेट हर क्राई एंड देन शी टोल्ड मी कि स्नेहा, आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग विद माय हस्बैंड एंड इन-लॉज and I was slapped by my husband in the car in front of my in-laws, because of which we always refrain ourselves from taking the front seat. So, and when they see me, they are like, you are going to train my wife? And I'm like, yes, of course, I am going to train your wife. Are you sure? Or is somebody going to accompany you? I said, no, absolutely not. It's me alone. So the band was called up. She called me and she said, Sneha, I can't thank you enough because today I'm driving in Saudi Arabia. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
फिलहाल सड़क खाली है, पर इसमें जो गाड़ी आएगी वो एक आदमी चलाएगा. आदमी चला रहा है, क्या बढ़िया चला रहा है. औरत को कहाँ ड्राइविंग आती है मैडम, गार्डन में गाड़ी चला रहे हो क्या. वो ये ताने सुन सुन के हमको बोर हो. Which is why today I have someone जो ना सिर्फ गाड़ी बढ़िया चलाती है, वो बढ़िया चलाना सिखाती भी है और अपनी जिंदगी की गाड़ी भी बखूबी चला रही है. With me is our superwomania Sneha Kamath, the proprietor of She Can Drive. Let's go. Guys, I don't like to be taken for a ride, but today is different because Sneha Kamath here promised she won't take me for a ride, she'll take me on a ride. She's on the driver's seat. गाड़ी बहुत बढ़िया चलाती है, दूसरों को गाड़ी बहुत बढ़िया सिखाती हैं कैसे चलाएं, और जिंदगी की गाड़ी इनकी कैसे चल रही है उसके लिए आज हम आ गए हैं. Welcome to the Superwomania show.
Thank you so much, Stuti. Are we ready to go?
We are, absolutely. Chalo.
Let's go.
Okay, you are not going to get distracted with me talking, right?
Absolutely not. I'm used to that.
Very cool. तो अब बड़ी दूर से आप आए हो, कहाँ से आए हो?
I have come from Borivali.
Borivali, and her husband was very sweetly driving. I like how you made him drive.
Yes, and I drive him crazy too.
Isn't that the best? तो अपनी लाइफ में कितनी बार सुना है स्नेहा कि मैडम चाबी दीजिए, मैं आपकी गाड़ी पीछे कर देता हूँ.
अरे बहुत बार स्तुति, I have heard this n number of times, and let me tell you, these society expectations and gender stereotypes, you know, often lead to women driving skills being scrutinized constantly. And it's a long, you know, held stereotype that women are lousy drivers. So whenever you see a woman driving, if anyone sees a woman driving, most often she is going to be looked upon by disapproval.
Very true.
So I have been told by many men that why don't you just let us park the car? आपको शायद थोड़ा time लगेगा. Parallel parking, exactly. Parallel parking is going to be a little difficult for you, and I was like, really? So it happens a lot of times that we have to face such questions from our male counterparts, but then that's how, you know, Sneha rolls. Like, I like to accept challenges. And
और ये अपना एक्सीलरेट करके ये तो आगे निकल गई, आप पीछे ये ऊट पटांग के बस ताने मारते रहो.
Yes.
Okay, I have been driving since I'm 18. How many years for you? You started driving when? How old were you?
I was driving since I was 18, so I've completed 30 years of driving. I'm 48 now. So I'm driving since the past 30 years.
Very cool. अच्छा, शुरुआत कैसे हुई? She Can Drive, I love the name. And you started She Can Drive, जहाँ पे you have been teaching so many women. Now I think hundreds or thousands of women, you're teaching them how to drive. It is India's first driving school by a woman for women, right?
Yeah.
तो बताओ भाई, इसकी शुरुआत बताओ.
Sure. जब मैंने She Can Drive की शुरुआत की स्तुति, I actually did a lot of research, and I saw that there was a dearth of women driving instructors.
Right.
तो मैंने क्या किया, I disguised myself as a trainer, as a learner, and I went to quite a few driving schools, and I requested them if they can provide me with a lady instructor to teach me to drive. And shockingly bolo, awkwardly bolo, or unfortunately bolo, I was told that ma'am, women barely can make good drivers. Now expecting a woman to teach you to drive is highly unlikely.
ये कौन सा
And
साल था? What year?
ये that was in 2011. And तब मैंने वो challenge accept किया, and I said okay, I accept the challenge, and thereon I started She Can Drive, and the aim to start She Can Drive was to make confident and safer women drivers.
Very, very.
So that's where the journey of She Can Drive began, जहाँ पे हमें कहा जाता था कि आप तो चला भी नहीं सकते, तो सिखाने की तो भूल जाइए आप बात, आपको तो कोई लेडी इंस्ट्रक्टर मिलेगी नहीं. So that's where She Can Drive की शुरुआत वहाँ से हुई, to create more and more women drivers and to break the stereotype and to bring about a disruption not only in the segment of the male dominated area of the driving schools, but also in the mindsets कि women can be good trainers as well, not only drivers.
घर में माहौल कैसा था? राइट ले लें हम यहाँ से. ड्राइव ये कर रही है, बैक सीट ड्राइविंग मैं कर रही हूँ, रास्ते बता रही हूँ. तो हम शाहरुख खान के घर के सामने से जाएंगे. नाउ दैट शी इज देयर, इतना तो हम फायदा उठाएंगे, ठीक है स्नेहा? सो हाँ, हाउ वाज इट ग्रोइंग अप? इस तरह के ताने आपने घर पे सुने? योर ब्रदर, फादर, लाइक हाउ वाज इट लाइक फॉर यू?
Okay, for me, I was fortunate enough because मैं जहाँ where I come from, my brother, my elder brother, was into the business of dealing in imported cars and bikes, like selling and purchasing of imported cars and bikes. तो हमारे घर के नीचे काफ़ी सारी cars parked हुआ करती थी, कुछ हमारी, कुछ बेचने के लिए. So I had exposure to the cars from a very younger age, and I was, बोलते ना, some things come naturally to
Correct.
you. So driving came very naturally to me. मैंने अपने बड़े भाई साहब को देखा ड्राइव करते हुए, and I picked up those skills like how do you press the accelerator and when do you change the gear, how do you react to the sound of the accelerator and change the gears. वो सब
This is so true. जब मैं गाड़ी सीख रही थी तो पापा ने यही बोला था. I had asked him, मैनुअल गाड़ी पे हमने सीखी थी,
हाँ जी.
कि कब गियर चेंज करना है. वो कहते listen to the car, the
आवाज़.
car will tell you.
Yes, so when I
Yeah.
train my students to drive, Stuti, मैं उनसे यही कहती हूँ that she talks to you. Listen what she is trying to talk and develop an emotional connect with the car. I always, whenever I train women to drive, मैं उन्हें real life example से connect करती हूँ. So it becomes very easy for them to understand the little nitty gritties of driving. Because यही जो basics driving की अगर clear हो, तभी जाके you can actually take on the wheel and you are ready for bigger challenges. Now coming to your question as to घर पे माहौल कैसा था, बहुत supportive था. My brother actually taught me to drive. I will give him the entire credit. And उन्होंने मुझसे actually कहा था that lady driver के जैसे चलाएगी. And I was like, what do you mean by that? बोलते अच्छा एक काम कर, no entry में आओ और रिवर्स में गाड़ी निकालो. I was like, aren't you expecting too much? बोलते करो, ये करो, and जब आप challenges face करोगे ऐसे ही आप सीखोगे. And thereon he taught me to drive in very difficult situations like reverse में 8 बनाओ and all these things, and that's what made me a very fine driver.
Yeah.
I already knew to drive, but वो जो fine driving skills होती है वो उनसे आई है मुझे. So
हम राइट लेंगे, राइट लेंगे.
yes, but
अभी
there's
रात
a red.
बजती है, तो हम रुक कर
जी.
थोड़ी और कॉन्वर्सेशन करेंगे. अच्छा, अभी तक how many women do you think you would have trained?
I have trained more than 3,000 women to drive, Stuti. 2012 से officially शुरू किया था. उसके पहले छोटे छोटे friends and family friends को सिखाती थी. And then somebody in my family, they said that, you know, why don't you take it up as a profession?
Correct.
And that's how in 2012 I officially launched She Can Drive. And बस वहाँ से फिर वो journey जो शुरू हुई वो कब रुकी ही नहीं. And I'm so glad because this journey has been rewarding, inspiring, lot of learning, because when I'm training women, there are so many women that I've met, so many wonderful women like you, Stuti, so much to learn from and share हमारे experiences from different aspects of life. So I will always thank God, my gratitude to God and the wonderful women that I have trained, that today I have been successful enough to train. Because आप अगर देखेंगे, I am not very much popular on social media. Like, I am not marketing myself much. It's only through word of mouth, and
which
it's
is the
said.
real deal.
That's the real marketing, because you don't have to convince anybody. आज अगर आप मुझसे सीखते हैं और आप किसी को कहते हैं कि learn from Sneha, you're already a client.
Yeah.
I don't have to sell my services to you anymore
Yeah.
because आपकी भाभी, आपकी बहन, आपकी बेटी किसी ने सीखा and then they are referring. So it's only through word of mouth that 90% through word of mouth, and then of course these interviews that happen, I'm so lucky enough, and the articles that are printed, उससे कई लोग आ जाते. But majority of my trainings have happened through word of mouth, and that's where I've been
Very
able to
cool.
train 3,000
So,
women.
3,000, so many lives you've touched. कोई स्टोरी जो आप हमसे शेयर करोगे, बिकॉज लोग अलग अलग फैमिली से, अलग अलग सर्कमस्टांसेस से आपके साथ जुड़ते होंगे. द रीजन व्हाई दे वांट टू ड्राइव वुड आल्सो बी वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट.
Yes.
एनीथिंग दैट कम्स टू माइंड अभी?
Yes, there are so many stories. अब अगर मैं एक एक स्टोरी बैठने बोलने जाऊंगी तो it's going to be never ending. But to name a few, I
मैं
remember.
सबको बता दूं, it's not for driving, it's the Bandra roads. So BMC we love you, but काफी joy ride होता है यहाँ पे ड्राइव करने में. हाँ बोलो.
So I was training a student. She was a doctor, and I wouldn't like to name her, but she was a doctor. So एक speed breaker आता था, and वहाँ पे she used to start, trembling out of fear. And I noticed that quite many times कि वहीं पे आके उनकी गाड़ी बंद पड़ जाती थी. तो मैंने बोला कि डॉक्टर, I mean, what's happening? I have taught you so many times. आपकी गाड़ी यहीं पे आके स्पीड ब्रेकर पे आके क्यों बंद पड़ती है? एंड आफ्टर प्रॉब्ली 6 to 7 सेशंस उन्होंने मुझसे कहा, स्नेहा, एंड शी क्राइड, एंड आई लेट हर क्राई बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू गिव हर द स्पेस. आई लेट हर क्राई एंड देन शी टोल्ड मी कि स्नेहा, आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग विद माय हस्बैंड एंड इन लॉज, और मेरी गाड़ी स्पीड ब्रेकर पे बंद हो गई बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई वाज अ लर्नर, मुझे इतनी नहीं आती थी चलाना. And I was slapped by my husband in the car in front of my in-laws, and that touched me, and I was, shaken by that thought ki how can, you abuse a woman just because she doesn't know to drive. I mean,
And
it's
you're
not
a doctor,
as a
somebody
doctor.
who's educated and doing so
Irrespective
well.
of you being a doctor, you are disrespecting a human being, a man or a woman. You can hit somebody just because she or he doesn't know to drive. I said driving is not the end of the world, and that's where I took it up as a challenge. I said 100 बार करो, आगे पीछे, आगे, बंद होने दो गाड़ी. अब देखते हैं कि आपकी गाड़ी कितनी बार बंद होगी. एक बार, 2 बार, 200 बार, एक बार तो आपकी गाड़ी चली जाएगी. And we did it. We were doing it in Bangur Nagar. We did it आगे पीछे करके. Finally वो जो डर था, वो जो फोबिया था उनका, वो स्पीड ब्रेकर को देख के वो जो she used to start crying and trembling, वो finally निकल गया. So ड्राइविंग तो छोड़ ही दो, बट इट मेड मी सो हैप्पी दैट आई कुड एक्चुअली मेक अ डिफरेंस इन हर लाइफ, दैट अब वो ट्रॉमा निकाल दिया. एंड सो दीज आर द इन्सिडेंसेस दैट विमेन फेस बिकॉज लैक ऑफ बिलीफ सिस्टम होता है, लैक ऑफ सपोर्ट होता है, मॉरल सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है, एक्सपोजर नहीं मिलता है, सो मेनी थिंग्स बिकॉज ऑफ विच वी ऑलवेज रिफ्रेन आवर सेल्व्स फ्रॉम टेकिंग द फ्रंट सीट. वी प्रेफर टू टेक द बैक सीट, एंड आई एम अ वुमन who will take a back seat for luxury, but not because I'm compelled or to do so.
Lovely. तो बड़े सारे स्टार्स यहाँ रहते हैं जहाँ हम हैं, बैंड स्टैंड की तरफ हम जा रहे हैं. That's बसेरा. और because she can drive and I'm with her, we're going to Shah Rukh Khan's house. You never know if we get to see him.
You're
today.
a big fan of his?
I love him.
Okay, who doesn't?
I love him, and I love how he romances his women on screen, and how he is with us in real life also, with women journalists. So respectful.
And in fact, we were speaking about him today whilst on. We were speaking, Bazigar का एक गाना आया. So I told my husband this was the make and break film for me. Saying no, Fauji was the one. People started liking me. I said yeah, of course, Fauji was the one, and from where he comes, and to a self-made man, very commendable.
Very cool. So देखिए, we connected on driving, we're connecting on Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan.
But so cool, yeah. So अच्छा कोई funny instance हुआ है, because like you say ना, people assume कि लड़कियाँ तो क्या ही drive करेंगी, लोग बिना आ जाते हैं कि हम गाड़ी आपकी लगा लेते हैं, पैरेलल पार्किंग कर लेते हैं. कभी कोई ऐसे आश्चर्यचकित हुए हैं आपके ड्राइविंग स्किल्स को देख के that they've had to eat humble pie?
Yes, there are quite a few instances, quite many instances in fact. When
I will just stop you here.
Yes.
This is the bheed, guys. I request my two camera persons, Vishal and Vikas, to pan ये शाहरुख खान के घर के सामने perpetual भीड़. And he's not here, but that's Mannat. but यहाँ पे हमारी मन्नत पूरी हुई है, हम यहाँ पे हैं और अब आप U-turn लोगे. Yes.
Do you want to go on the mount maybe?
We can, of course.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Lovely. तो देखिए एक बार जब आप ड्राइवर सीट पे बैठ जाती है, रास्ता आप ऑटोमेटिकली खुद ही अपना बना लो।
I'll take you.
She can drive, she'll take
Yeah.
you. हाँ जी बताओ, so some instance, something funny that you
जी.
recall.
In fact, काफ़ी टाइम जब मैं ट्रेनिंग के लिए ये people call me because they have not seen me, so they call me and they say, okay, you know, why don't then I have to go to their house to train them. And the husband is already worried because उनकी नई गाड़ी है, you know, and wife भी learner है, तो
और
अगर
टीचर भी
women है
आ
तो
गई है।
बाप रे, it's like a very
My God.
weird combination. तो काफ़ी बार husbands नीचे खड़े होते हैं and they are like, okay, there is going to be this very well built, you know, woman with the sari and the sport shoes and very shrewd woman because trainer. Because what they have seen in trainers is a man
Correct.
coming and, you know, with वो पान खा रहे and, you know, all that
तो आपको masculine qualities ही
masculine,
associate-
they were
Yeah,
looking
yeah.
for some masculine quality. So, and when they see me, they are like, you are going to train my wife? And I'm like, yes, of course, I am going to train your wife. Are you sure? Or is somebody going to accompany you? I said, no, absolutely not. It's me alone.
Yeah.
And your wife, and you're not allowed to sit behind. Ma'am, can I sit for a day at least to see how you train? I said, no, you aren't allowed
What?
to. You're not
I mean,
allowed
they
to.
dare not say this to a
Yes, because
male,
they want to.
driving coach.
Yeah, here they are actually analyzing my driving skills and my teaching
क्यों?
skills.
क्योंकि वो आदमी है, मतलब।
Yes, I said, I'm sorry, I will not give you that liberty to sit. You can take a back seat when your wife learns to drive, or you can take your money back.
Yeah.
So when I give the money back guarantee, they are like, okay, they have nothing to lose. ठीक है. So there are such instances where.
And this is Mount Mary Church, and we'll pray to her that good sense prevails and men stop making such sexist jokes
Comments.
about women driving. This is our prayer to Mother Mary. Are you in touch with a lot of your students? Are some of them like you also training other people? Has that happened? Have you inspired them?
Oh yes, yes. I have been inspired by them, and I have inspired them too. It's always two ways. There are of course, I'm in touch with so many of them because I will share one incident with you. I had a student coming from Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
I will not say specifically she came here to learn to drive, but whilst she was on a vacation, she thought let me just give it a try because women instructor hai, and you know her name was Rabia, and of course she preferred a woman
Correct.
to train her to drive. So she stayed in Yari Road. So I went to train her to drive, but she learned to drive, but unfortunately, tabhi in Saudi Arabia there was a taboo. Women couldn't drive then.
Correct.
But she learned to drive in 10 days, and after the taboo was off, you know, after the ban was called off, she called me and she said, Sneha, I can't thank you enough because today I'm driving in Saudi Arabia. So this is a global reach. And I'm so proud of it. I was so happy indeed that I could, you know, यहाँ सीख के हम सऊदी अरेबिया में गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, and from there she is calling me up and she is thanking me. So it's a achievement, a sense of achievement in its own, स्थिति.
अच्छा, बॉम्बे में तो देखिए स्पीड लिमिट क्रॉस करने की कोई सवाल ही नहीं
नहीं है ही नहीं.
20-30
20-30 के ऊपर आप जा ही नहीं सकते. हाँ.
हम लेफ्ट लेंगे. So but how do you? A lot of people say कि जब हम frustrated होते हैं या when we want alone time, we go for a drive, we blast music, and you know we enjoy our company in the car. Is that something that you do?
Yes.
This is work for you. ये
Yes.
मेरा work station है, मैं यहाँ नहीं आ सकती.
I love to go out on solo drives. So when I'm actually, you know, I just need my me time, I'll just take my car and I do not prefer this side of Mumbai. I prefer going towards, you know, outside towards the Gujarat side. Because
Right.
from Dahisar I'll take that road because by the time you're here I'm already more frustrated with the traffic. So I prefer to go for solo drives towards on Gujarat highway and all that, and then I come back within a day and I'm okay. Sometimes, most of the times it's not solo, I take my dog.
Yeah.
So I'm more happy with him, you know, and he's around and he's enjoying the breeze, cool breeze, and then some music, and we'll step out for a walk and then come back, and that's
So cool. Okay, how much about a car do you know? Like, can you change the tires? Can you deal with a puncture situation?
Yes, I do provide even workshops to all my students in batches, and I train them to how, you know, how it functions, how you need to change your tire or jack क्या होता है, and आपको कितने height पे आपको car लानी है, and कैसे change करना है. So all these things, there is a separate session after the driving sessions are over. So yeah, these are basic skills that one must know how to change the tire because it really helps you.
Yeah. Yeah.
And imagine a woman standing in the middle of the highway and आपका tire puncture हो गया and she's doing it. It looks so cool.
It's so cool, exactly, and not a dancer in distress. हमारी तो हिंदी आधी हिंदी फिल्में नहीं बनेंगी
हाँ।
क्योंकि हीरो की एंट्री तब होगी
हाँ, hero की
जब
entry।
गाड़ी पंचर हो जाए, पर यहाँ पे हम खुद ही टायर बदल लेते हैं।
Yeah.
हर प्रोडक्ट को बेचने के लिए फॉर वुमेन दे हैव पिंक एंड वेलवेट एंड लेस, बट नॉट फॉर कार्स। आई डोंट सी लाइक अ पिंक
I would love a, I would love a pink car which
interiors are
she can
pink.
drive.
Yeah, yeah.
That will be a little too much, but I would like that nude pink
Correct,
and with
correct. अब देखो शेड्स तो हम समझा ही देंगे that
Shades
these
तो
men
हाँ।
never get, है ना? So whether it's Harman pink or it's fuchsia pink, but yeah, a pink car as long as you let us be on the driver's seat. This was such a pleasure.
Thank you, Stuti. Thank you so much. And I would like to thank the entire FM team for considering me worthy enough for the Superwomania award. I'm going to
Realize
cherish.
you with the
Oh
trophy.
yes, I'm going to cherish this award forever because I believe that when passion and hard work meets commitment, magic happens.
अरे,
Thank you
क्या
so
बात है।
much. Thank you
Amazing,
so much.
amazing.